Hey, welcome back to the workshop. So this is the interior trim that goes around the window, the windshield. This is where the visor mount goes. So it's up top, like by your head. And as you can see, it's very rusty. I sandblasted it. I hit it with the sander, tried to get the chrome off. The loose chrome came off pretty well, but like the chrome that's staying is not coming off. So I figured I'd just rough it up. This one, when I sandblasted it, you know, the rust blasted right off and made a hole. So, and there were a few other holes here. So I'm using Pour 15 epoxy putty to plug the holes. I like the Pour 15 products. This is not a promotional video. You could probably use any epoxy putty, but this stuff dries hard as steel. You can grind it, drill it. So my plan is to sand this down, grind it down, make it even with the original piece, because there was like a just a hole that went up all around the edge there. So that fills in there. And then I got Lab Metal, which is like a similar to epoxy putty, but it's like a paste that you put on, or like a paint that can be powder coated. And I'll show that later, but my plan is to coat this with that Lab Metal after I sand all these down to fill in the pitting here and smooth it out, because you can sand that stuff, smooth it out, and then powder coat the piece in Chrome Powdercoat and polish it back up. So we'll see how this process works. You know, you can't find these metal trim parts, at least, I mean, I've looked around for them. They don't seem to be very common. I did find some on eBay for a 66 Chevy convertible. I don't know if they're the same, but they were used and they were like hundreds of dollars. So best case for me is try to repair this. I think I can do it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I think I'm on a pretty good track here, so I'll let you know how it goes. All right, till next time.